Okay, this might honestly be one of the coolest AI filmmaking tools I've tested all year. Seriously, imagine typing a simple story idea, and just a few minutes later, AI automatically creates the script, characters, environments, camera shots, and even a full cinematic storyboard for you. And the craziest part, this tool is coming directly from Google. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Google Flow Storyboard Studio step by step, even if you've never touched an AI filmmaking tool before. And trust me, make sure you watch until the end, because I'm also going to show you a hidden feature that most people completely miss. But it can massively speed up your content creation workflow. Also, if you're into powerful AI tools, automation, and smarter ways to create content online and make money faster, make sure you subscribe to Jacky AI Flow right now. All right, let's jump into it. First, head over to Google Flow at labs.google/fx/tools/flow. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see your project dashboard right here. Now, if this is your first time opening it, your screen might look pretty empty. And that's completely normal. I'm going to click on New Project, and instantly Google opens up this super clean and modern workspace. Honestly, I really like the interface because it doesn't feel overwhelming like traditional video editing software. Everything feels simple, organized, and beginner-friendly. Now, before we start creating the storyboard, we need to open the right tool. So I'm going to click on Tools over here on the left sidebar. Inside this library, Google gives you a bunch of experimental AI filmmaking tools. You'll see things like Style Writer, Prompt Tree, Story Sketch, Character Tools, and a bunch of other stuff. But the one we want today is called Storyboard Studio. Go ahead and open that up. When Storyboard Studio launches, the first thing it asks is what visual style you want to use. For this example, I'm choosing cinematic 3D animation because it usually creates the most eye-catching visuals for YouTube content. But honestly, you can experiment with all kinds of styles later. Now, obviously, before AI can build a storyboard, we need a story first. And this is where things start getting really interesting. Instead of writing the entire script myself, I'm gonna let AI help me out. So I'm opening ChatGPT in another tab. Inside ChatGPT, I'm typing this idea. Write a short emotional story about a young boy learning patience from his grandmother while building a homemade robot for a school competition. Now watch this. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates an entire story with dialogue, emotions, characters, and scene descriptions. And honestly, this is where creators can save hours of work. Because instead of staring at a blank screen trying to brainstorm ideas from scratch, AI gives you a solid first draft almost instantly. Have you ever sat there wondering how to even start your video idea? Yeah, this completely fixes that problem. Now I'm heading back into Storyboard Studio. I'm going to paste the full script directly into the AI prompt box down here. Then I'll add another instruction like this. Turn this into a cinematic 10-scene storyboard with multiple camera angles, emotional storytelling, 10 to 15 natural dialogues, detailed visuals, dramatic lighting, character actions, sound design, and movie-style pacing for professional AI video generation. And now, watch what happens. The AI immediately starts analyzing the story in real time. You can literally see the screenplay building itself right in front of you. Scene titles appear, character dialogue appears, action descriptions appear. Honestly, it feels like watching an AI movie director working live on your screen. Now let me show you something really powerful. I'm clicking into the Script tab. This section basically works like professional screenplay software. You can edit scene titles, character dialogue, transitions, action descriptions, timing. So if you ever want to customize or improve the story later, it's super easy. But now let's move to my favorite section, the Assets tab. This is where Google Flow starts feeling almost unreal. The AI automatically scans your entire script and identifies all the important elements for you. And now check this out. I'm clicking Autofill Characters. Instantly, the AI generates insanely detailed visual descriptions for every character. The boy becomes this curious 10-year-old kid wearing a hoodie covered in little grease stains from constantly working on robots. The grandmother has silver hair, a warm smile, and cozy handmade sweaters that make her feel like a real movie character. And the best part, the AI automatically creates consistent reference images for every character, which means your characters keep the same appearance throughout the entire story. And honestly, that consistency is huge for storytelling. Now let's scroll down into the locations and props section. The garage workshop gets generated with workbenches, glowing robot parts, wires, and all these tiny mechanical details everywhere. The classroom scene honestly looks like something straight out of an animated movie. Even small props like screwdrivers, batteries, notebooks, and robot arms get generated automatically. And this is the moment you realize this tool isn't just generating random AI images, it's basically building an entire visual production system for you. Alright, now let's move into the actual storyboard section. This is where everything comes together. The AI has automatically divided the story into multiple scenes and camera shots. And honestly, the first time I tested this feature, it kind of blew my mind. The first scene shows the boy working alone in the garage late at night. The second scene shows the robot suddenly breaking down while he starts panicking. Then we see the grandmother calmly teaching him to slow down and solve one problem at a time. And every single scene includes cinematic camera angles automatically, the kind of stuff that usually takes an entire production team hours to plan manually. Now I'm going to click Autofill Scene. This is where the AI starts generating the actual storyboard images. Watch closely. The first frame appears, then another. And within seconds, the entire scene comes to life visually. The lighting stays consistent. The characters remain recognizable. The environments match perfectly together. Honestly, some of these frames already look good enough to use as animated movie concepts or even YouTube thumbnails. As we keep scrolling, the emotional moments become even stronger. You can actually see the expressions changing on the characters' faces. The stress before the school competition, the frustration when the robot fails, and finally, the emotional payoff when the boy succeeds after learning patience. This is something a lot of AI image tools still struggle with right now, but Google Flow handles it surprisingly well. Now let me show you something most people completely overlook. If we go back into the Explore Tools section, Google Flow actually has a ton of other AI tools beyond Storyboard Studio, which means theoretically, you could build your own complete AI filmmaking workflow entirely inside Google Flow. And honestly, when you think about it, that's kinda insane. And yeah, that's Google Flow Storyboard Studio. In just a few minutes, we turned a simple story idea into a full cinematic storyboard with consistent AI characters, environments, props, screenplay formatting, and professional camera shots. And the exciting part is, tools like this are improving insanely fast. So if you're a YouTuber, filmmaker, content creator, animator, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI, this is absolutely worth trying right now. And honestly, I still think we're super early. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Jacky AI Flow, and drop a comment below telling me what AI tool you want me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.